Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? I'm excited. I'm pumped up. How are you doing? How is your trading going this week? Okay. Super excited. And in this episode, we're going to be exposing you to an amazing topic. For those who are joining us for the first time, guys, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and make sure you click on the notification bell so that you will not miss out when we upload the next valuable content that we have for you. Okay, and this episode on the financial trading culture series, we want to share with you an amazing way to be able to exit your trade. Now, over time, I've seen a lot of people have plans, but they do not have strategies, but they have entry strategies, but they do not have exit strategies. One of the challenges with if you don't have exit strategy, is that you will have your trades running for a very long time and it could end up coming against you. I remember when I first got started in the financial market, I think in 2018, one of the trades that I picked, gave me over 1,000 pips on GBP JPY, and I held on that trade for a very long time. Now, I did not take profit and I did not break even. I did not do anything, but I held that trade for close to about 2 months. Yes, close to about 2 months. Now, guess what happened? Because I took my strategy for granted, I believe so much strongly that I was going to reach out to 2,000 pips or more, and I held the trade till it reversed back and eventually almost hit my stop loss. Then I now took the decision to accept the loss. See, it's one of the stories I will never forget. So, guys, I want you to understand that one of the advantages of you playing in the Forex market is that you are able to control when you go in and when you come out. Don't talk about when you go in. I see a lot of people mastering when they go in. But the question is, imagine you knowing how to start a car, drive a car, but you don't know how to park. That is exactly what you're doing when you don't have an exit strategy. So in this episode, I'm going to share with you one of the strategies that I have in mind to share with you. And as usual, I wouldn't want the video to be very long. So I want you to go to your chart and practice this exit strategy and you're good to go. Number one, an amazing way to come out of the market is to look for reversal patterns. So when I go in on a trade and I go in, maybe I go in on a demand and I see a candle pattern, maybe engulfing or morning star or evening star. There are some candle pattern that I don't want to see that will hint me that the market will reverse. Such reversals are what? Evening stars. When I see evening star, I will exit the market. When I see engulfing, bearish engulfing, if I'm in a buy market, it is a flag to exit the market. So, Mr. Mayowa, what do you mean? Let's go to the chart as usual. I know I will always show you what I'm talking about. Now, I didn't pick a particular pair. Let's go to 1 hour and look at this now. So, what happened? I entered this trade based on engulfing, and it started moving up. Now, immediately it gave me a evening star. I'll say to myself, oh, I'm exiting the market. Then I left it. Oh, mainly gave me a evening star. I exit the market. Mr. Maya, what do you mean by evening star? Evening star, this is evening star. Evening star. Candle. Stick. So this is an evening star. This is an evening star. Sorry, not quite long. So when I see an evening star, a bullish candle, a bearish candle, and a drop is a reversal sign. So once I see this, I want to come out of the market. Not because I'm afraid, but it is my strategy. Now, I always tell you that my goal is not to enforce my strategy on you, is that you can add up to what you have already so that you can master it. So immediately I went in on this trade and I can see a clear evening star pattern. I will do what? I will exit the market, or I break even, or I move my stop loss very close so that in case it has room to go up, then I'm done with that trade. So a lot of time when you don't have this and you're just looking at the chart, then there could be a lot of mix up and it will make you to miss a lot of trades. So if you don't want to miss a lot of trades, then you have to be very, very careful to identify evening star. And if it is you took a sell and you are in the trade, all you need to look for is morning star. A morning star is a bearish candle, a small candle followed by a base. So this is a morning star. Look at the retracement here, another morning star. So that gives you, but look at it kept dropping. As it kept dropping, it kept dropping, it kept dropping. You don't have business with it until you start seeing that formation. Once you start seeing that formation, you know that that is a red flag for you to begin to take responsibility for that particular trade. Now, another one is you seeing a engulfing. If you don't know engulfing pattern, I shared it in the entry strategy so that you can use it. So if I go in on this trade and I went in on this engulfing big candle followed by small candle, all I need to do is to look for what? Another engulfing, and I'm going to be exiting the market. This is not an engulfing. This is not an engulfing. This is not an engulfing. It's not. It is here. So immediately I see this engulfing, I'll say to myself, hey, that's a red flag. So I'll close my trade and look for the next trade. Or I infuse this into my strategy. So when you infuse this into your strategy, it makes sense. So don't just go to the chart and say, oh, my exit strategy is morning star or evening star or engulfing pattern. No, you want to be able to analyze your chart, go into the trade and begin to look for the opposite candle pattern that will tell you, oh, I need to come out of this trade so that I would not miss out, or I would not miss out in returning the market, returning the whole profit back to the market. But I've seen a lot of people picking trade, like I gave you my own example. I've seen a lot of people picking trade and they ended up donating everything back to the market. You don't want to donate everything back to the market. It's very, very important. You don't want to lose all your account back to the market, especially when you're seeing good and massive profit. So make sure you are intentional about the trade you're picking and make sure you implement this exit strategy. In the next episode, I'm going to share with you another exit strategy that you can use to heal up the market. Guys, my name remains Mayowa Owolabi. If you have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscription bell, subscription notification bell, and the notification bell, and you're good to go. Okay, guys, super pumped up. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Have a pleasant day. And don't forget, if you have any question, always comment below in the comment box. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out. Bye.